How to stop apps from accessing your photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you stop apps from accessing your photos on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, from there, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application from where you want to stop that accessing your photos for your iPhone. Simply find out that application. After that, simply tap and open that. From here, simply tap on photos. Now from here, you got two options like you can give the full access or you can limit the access for accessing your photos on iPhone. As you can also go with the option none if you want to just completely turn up the access for your photos accessing from that application. After that, you'll be able to stop that application from accessing your photos on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.